Did you know that nearly 40% of men over 45 experience low testosterone levels? If you've been feeling more fatigued or unmotivated lately, then might be the problem has started. You might not realize it. But low testosterone could be the culprit. What if I told you that you can boost your testosterone naturally without relying on medications or supplements? Stay tuned because I'm breaking down everything you need to know. In this video, I will share how to increase testosterone naturally, along with lifestyle tips that can help you reclaim your health. And also you will know what to avoid, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe first for upcoming video updates, because YouTube not sending any notification if you have not subscribed. Let's get started. Testosterone is a vital hormone in the male body, influencing everything from muscle mass and strength to mood and energy levels. But did you know that testosterone levels naturally decline as you age, starting in your 30s? Unfortunately, many men experience a decline in testosterone very early due to lifestyle factors. This decline can lead to various health issues. But how you can identify that? You need to check common signs like fatigue, reduced libido, depression, and mood swings. Increased body fat, particularly around the abdomen, and having brain fog or memory issues. If you felt any of these symptoms, then it's time to take care of your health. Research indicates that low testosterone can also lead to more severe health risks like osteoporosis and cardiovascular diseases. Addressing this issue at an early stage is crucial not only for physical health, but also for mental well-being. The good news, diet plays a massive role in boosting testosterone naturally. What you eat can directly impact your hormone levels. Let's jump into the foods that can make a real difference. Number 1. Adding zinc-rich foods to the diet. Zinc is a vital mineral that plays a significant role in testosterone production. Ensuring adequate intake of zinc-rich foods can help maintain healthy testosterone levels and support overall reproductive health. Pumpkin seeds are a plant-based zinc powerhouse. Besides being rich in zinc, pumpkin seeds also offer healthy fats and antioxidants, which collectively support reproductive health and reduce inflammation. Chickpeas, lentils, and beans are great sources of zinc for vegetarians and vegans. These legumes provide a good amount of zinc along with fiber, protein, and other essential nutrients that contribute to overall health. Nuts and seeds such as cashews and sunflower seeds offer a decent amount of zinc. These can be easily incorporated into your diet to boost your zinc intake and support testosterone levels. If you like non-veg foods, then oysters are also the best source of zinc content. Just a few oysters can provide your daily recommended intake of zinc. Next, include healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet is crucial for maintaining optimal testosterone levels. It provides the essential building blocks for hormone production, including testosterone. So eating healthy fats is crucial. Low-fat diets can lower your testosterone levels. Avocados are an excellent source of healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats support the production of testosterone by maintaining cell membrane health and hormone balance. Of course, it offers many other benefits as well. Olive oil is another fantastic source of healthy monounsaturated fats. Regular consumption of olive oil has been linked to improved testosterone levels. Its high content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties also supports overall health and hormone regulation. For non-vegetarians, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish also provide high-quality protein and vitamin D, which further aid hormonal health. Number 3. Eat plenty of leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with essential nutrients that support hormonal health. These vegetables are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in testosterone production. Magnesium helps regulate various biochemical reactions in the body, including those involved in hormone synthesis. These veggies are also high in vitamins A, C, and K, which are important for overall health. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory foods. Chronic inflammation can negatively impact hormone production, including testosterone. Adding anti-inflammatory foods to your diet to combat this. Some of the best sources like turmeric, which is known for its active compound curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. But always use it with black pepper for better absorption of curcumin. Include berries like blueberries and strawberries, which are rich in antioxidants and polyphenols. It combats oxidative stress and inflammation. Drink green tea is loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It helps reduce inflammation and support overall health. Number 5. Add pomegranates to your diet. Pomegranates are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce stress hormones like cortisol while promoting testosterone production. Drinking pomegranate juice regularly may enhance mood and energy levels. Number 6. Add cruciferous vegetables. This is important because vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale help lower estrogen levels, creating a better balance for testosterone. These vegetables are also packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and K, which protect the body's cells from damage and support bone health. Additionally, they are high in fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Both are important factors for hormonal health. Number 7. Adding foods high in vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for testosterone production and overall health, and many men are deficient in this essential vitamin. Some of the best sources of this vitamin are fortified foods like milk, orange juice, and cereals. This can help ensure adequate vitamin D intake. Egg yolks and fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are excellent sources of vitamin D. Next, include adaptogenic foods. These foods are known for their ability to help the body manage stress and maintain hormonal balance, including boosting testosterone levels. Some of the best adaptogenic foods are maca root, ashwagandha, and ginseng. These natural herbs support hormonal health, reduce stress, and enhance libido and sperm quality. Adding them to your diet can lead to noticeable improvements in testosterone levels. Having a healthy diet is part of the solution. You need to follow 2 more steps. First, few lifestyle changes like start strength training. Lifting weights has been shown to boost testosterone levels significantly. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Next, get enough sleep. Poor sleep is directly linked to lower testosterone. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Reduce stress level. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which negatively impacts testosterone. Try meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is strongly linked to lower testosterone. Focus on a balanced diet and regular exercise. After knowing what to do to increase testosterone, lastly, you should know what to avoid, so your effort can give faster results. Avoid processed foods and sugar, because high sugar intake leads to insulin resistance and weight gain, both of which lower testosterone. Try to reduce your intake of sodas, sugary snacks, fast food, and refined carbs, like white bread and pasta. Limit alcohol intake. Excessive alcohol consumption can lower testosterone levels over time. Avoid endocrine disruptors. Certain chemicals found in plastics can interfere with hormone production. Opt for glass or stainless steel containers instead of plastic when possible. I tried to cover all important information within this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. What is your favorite testosterone boosting food or tips? Let me know in the comments below. Stay fit and see you in the next video.